Hi, Kathy here from Kathy's Cute Creations. Today we're going to have the unboxing, well I'm going to, not you, but you're going to watch, of the Creative Notions package. They're sending in a package now. Got pumpkins all over it. It's really, really nice. So let's take it out and take a look. Okay, it's got one package on the top that looks like a sandwich bag. It's got the fabric in it. It has those little fold over things. That's pretty neat. I haven't seen those bags out. Then it has a bag, like a little brown paper bag. It says, a grateful heart is the mainspring of happiness. Oh, that's pretty. Let's get a close up of that. Oh, and she Velcroed it with those little button Velcros. Look at that. Isn't that a neat idea? I wonder if I can get that. Oh, yes, I can. I'm going to hold on to that little. Oh, that's nice. Look at that. The little leaf. Definitely holding on to that. Okay, let's see what we got here. Okay, looks like two little pieces of candy wrapped in fall paper. I don't know what. Let me show you the candy. Oops, slippery little stuff. There's that. And then we have some Alpine apple cider, spiced apple cider. It says empty contents of pouch into a cup filled with 6 to 8 ounces of hot water. Well, I'll probably have to give that to one of my children because for some reason I do not like apple cider. I mean, I like apple juice, but oh, here we go. This is really, really nice. And let's see if I can put it behind something here. Let's put it behind the bag. It's a label. Look at this. Isn't that pretty? Wow, that's really, really nice. And it says on the card, congratulations, you've earned a charm holder. So they want us to choose one of these little charm holders. If you are subscribed here, you know that we get a charm each month. And here's the picture of the holders. So it's 4 different kinds. That's pretty cute. I kind of like the barn and I like the sewing machine. I'll be picking one of those. And then here's my little what's in the bag. So it tells us we have 8 fat quarters of beautiful calico crow cotton fabrics. We have our label, which is from Stonehenge, A Stitch in Time by Deborah Edwards of Norcott. We have a, oh, here we go. We have a pattern, and I love these Cozy Quilt designs patterns. These are pretty neat. This is called Leaf It To Me, and it's a mini. Make sure I have it up there in the. On the back, it gives you an option to make a wall hanging, a table runner, a long table runner, a large wall hanging, or a laptop. Then we have Hello Fall Decoration, and it is to apply this vinyl leathering. Let's see. It's to be placed on a cup, a mug, a wall, a door, wood or ceramic, mirror, and many other many other surfaces, but it's not made for fabric. And then we have our little bag that holds our pin in it, and it also has some thread. Let's take it out of here. So the thread is Sulky brand Cotton Petites. Oh, and it's a variegated. Look at this. You see that? That's pretty color. Oh my gosh. And then we have our pen. I don't want it to fall down while I hold it up here in the corner of the bag. Look at that little, get the light off of it, little leaf. That's that's pretty. Okay, that's everything. And of course, you know, I just love these little bags that stuff comes in. You could use that for your own jewelry. Well, that is everything. Oh, wait a minute, the fabric. I've got it upside down over here on the, jeez. Some would say the important thing in the bag. All right, let's open this up and take a look at this fabric. Vickie always picks out the best fabric. Oh my gosh, those are gorgeous. Look at those. Let me unwrap. It's got the, it's wrapped with the string from one of the, no, not the string, I'm sorry. It's wrapped with the actual fabric. Like if you were to cut off a 1/4 inch strip. Let me see if I can get it unwrapped. Here we go. Okay, well, I just made it tighter, so let's see if I can get it off. There we go. Okay. And let me show you. Oh my goodness, these are adorable. So this is a dark orange, and it's got these flowers, and it looks like they're roses. There's the first one. Now this looks like something back in my mom's day fabric. Those little flowers are cute. Let's see, what's this one? Oh my goodness. I'm going to have to open this one. Looks like it has recipes. Let me hold it up here. Oh my gosh, is that not adorable? Oh lordy. Who wants to cut into that kind of thing? See, that's what I don't want to cut into. You almost want to just make a towel out of it for the dish towel. I mean, it would be sideways, but still, that's a good sized dish towel. Or make something for the table to put in the middle of the table. It's got recipe pumpkin pie. The source is Mom. Wow. What's this one? Pumpkin roll by Janice Williams, from the kitchen of Janice Williams. Caramel popcorn. These are real recipes too that they wrote down. Huh. Oh my goodness. For this pumpkin pie it says 1/3 cup of Eagle brand. Cranberry nut bread, and they chopped the bottom of that recipe off. What a shame. Oh, wait a minute. Here it is up at the top. Looks just like the cranberry recipe. My goodness. That's really something. Who made this? Let's see. This is Penny Rose Fabrics pattern by Calico Crow by Larn and Nash. Huh. That's really nice. Okay, let's go with the next one. Oh, here's another really pretty orange one. Look at this. Isn't that pretty? That could be like chicken scratch. Looks like little prints. Little chicken walked across, left their prints. Oh my goodness, let's see what's this here. And this is birds. How the crow flies. I'm going to flip it over and show you this backside. This is cute. They're on the line. There you go. And here, this one has pumpkins. Looks like, let me see. Yeah, that looks like that might be a gourd of some sort. But leaves, pumpkin, I see squirrel on there. What's this? This has also got crows. And you know the little stand? Yeah, it's got seeds down there. Let me make sure I've got it right. Looks like a little stand, like a lemonade stand or a fruit stand in the fall. And then we have, this is similar to the first fabric that I showed you that was orange. Now this is brown with, it looks like roses on it. That is it for the Creative Notions unboxing. I'm going to lay it out here on the table and let you see it. And then I hope that you'll stay tuned for my next video. It will also be another unboxing. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye. Here's everything that was in the bag.